We've got a bit of a problem, and it's a problem that's self imposed. We are collecting too much stuff. Now we need a place to put that stuff. Hence why I'm here today. Here's some of the stuff that needs to be organized. Just a floor full of stuff. But this is where most of the organization is going to happen. I've always told myself I don't need new materials, that good things come from trash, that creativity isn't bought, it's scavenged. Most of what I build comes from what people throw away, like warped wood, rusted screws, bent brackets that barely hold. And there's pride in that. It feels really honest to me. Like I'm rejecting the easy path. Like I'm doing something real in a world that's obsessed with new. But then I decided to build some shelves for my tiny closet. Nothing fancy, just a way to contain a little bit of the chaos. And you know what I did? I bought new plywood. Well, that's when the guilt hit, and it hit real hard, like I had just betrayed my own religion. Because I have built my whole identity around being the guy who doesn't buy new things, the guy that makes stuff out of garbage. And here I was, handing over my cash for a perfect factory cut sheets of convenience. And man, it felt good. Everything was straight, everything was smooth, the cuts were clean, the fit perfect. After years of fighting warped boards, suddenly everything just kind of works. But as I built something, it felt wrong. It was too clean, too easy, like I had traded character for convenience. And when I use reclaim stuff, I have to think. I have to improvise. I have to solve problems that no one else would ever deal with. But that's where creativity lies, in the mess. When I buy new stuff, I'm not creating, I'm just kind of assembling. Maybe I'm not fighting wastefulness. Maybe I'm just fighting comfort. Because comfort dulls the edges, you know? It makes you lazy, and that's exactly how consumerism wins. Everything's designed to be smooth now, effortless and frictionless. You don't even notice it happening until it's done. Until one day, you're in a hardware store convincing yourself, maybe just this once. We tell ourselves that we're different because we buy the sustainable stuff or the eco friendly stuff. But that's just consumerism wearing recycled pants, you know? We're still spending, we're still feeding the same machine. So, what am I really resisting? The system? Or just my own guilt for being part of the system? The truth is, sometimes junk wood just doesn't cut it. You want the project done, you want it to look good, and that's fine. But let's not pretend it's virtuous. Convenience is seductive, and it whispers, "You've earned this." And guess what? We listen every time. We draw these moral lines and then we quietly move them when it gets a little inconvenient. So yeah, I built my closet shelves out of brand new plywood. They're square, solid, predictable, and I'll use them every day. but I know what they represent. They're proof that I'm not above the system. I'm just another consumer pretending that he's a little different. And hey, maybe that's okay. Maybe hypocrisy is just honesty with better lighting. Anyways, the shelves turned out great. And next time I'll probably be out back digging through old boards again. Because for all my contradictions, I still believe that the best stories are built from other people's garbage.